Good evening. My name is Dr. and this is case 143. Subject is male, approximately, who knows, I guessed early 30s to late teens. Cause of death was blunt force trauma, but I did notice very severe malnutrition when I looked at the digestive tract. As you can see, one arm as well as both legs below the knee are missing. I found that very strange based on its origins. It seems obvious that he was attacked by something, but I couldn't figure out what. But that's not really my job. The strangest thing that I noticed was in the cervical vertebrae. When I was looking through that area, I noticed some sort of fungus. At first I thought it was possibly an infection, but then it just seemed to be a mutated strain of Ophiocordyceps. The main difference of this fungus being that it's able to infect humans. The fungus had overtook most of the cerebellum as well as the brain stem and some parts of the spinal cord. I was unable to recover those areas. The biopsy that I performed on part of the torso had me discover some sort of radioactive element. I am unsure of what it is, but I'm going to send it over to Standard for more testing than I can do. This is by far the strangest case I have seen.